Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Xiaomi 12 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here we'll write Firefox browser. And hit the search button. Now click on this app and press install. After the installation process is done, we can open the app and start customizing it. We can change theme from light to dark or set it automatic. I will pick dark theme. You can change the toolbar placement from bottom or top. Let's pick top. And you can change always on privacy settings from standard or strict. You can also log into other Firefox account in order to synchronize two browsers. And you should read this privacy policy, and after that we can press on start browsing and our browser should work normally. So let's open Google, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.